7 natural remedies for cat respiratory issues. Upper respiratory infections are very common in cats, especially in multi-cat households or if your cat goes outdoors. Some of the most common signs of an upper respiratory infection include sneezing, runny nose, decreased appetite, fever, and lethargy. If you notice these signs in your cat, then it's important to take action right away. This is because if left untreated, they can lead to pneumonia or other serious complications. In this video, we will be exploring 7 natural remedies that can help alleviate your cat's discomfort from respiratory issues. When the air is dry, it can irritate your cat's already inflamed airways, leading to increased symptoms. Fortunately, there are several easy ways you can increase the humidity levels in your home without much effort at all. This can help thin the mucus and get rid of any nasal discharge. You can purchase pre-made saline nasal rinse at most pet stores or online. But if you want to make your own, it's very easy to do. There are 2 ways you can perform steam inhalation for your cat. The first method is to simply hold your cat close to your face and breathe normally. This is because being dehydrated can make the mucus thicker and harder to clear from their airways. In addition, it can make your cat's gums and skin sticky. This is why it's important to ensure that your cat is getting the proper nutrition during this time. A nutrient-dense diet full of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants will help boost your cat's immune system so they can fight off the infection as soon as possible. You can give your cat supplements like lysine or echinacea to support their immune system. Lysine is an essential amino acid that helps the body produce antibodies, interferon, and other immune cells that fight off viruses. Please remember to like and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. Echinacea is an herb that has been shown to stimulate the immune system and shorten the duration of colds and flu. Other nutrients that are good to give your cat during a respiratory infection include vitamin C, vitamin D, and zinc. You can easily add these nutrients to your cat's diet by giving them fruits and vegetables. Some of the best options include leafy greens, bell peppers, broccoli, blueberries, and salmon. If your cat doesn't eat solid food, you can blend the ingredients together and mix them into their water or wet food. If you notice that your cat's gums look dry, you can use your tongue depressor to gently press on their gums. If they spring back slowly, your cat may be dehydrated. During a respiratory infection, your cat's body is working hard to fight off the infection. This takes a lot of energy, which is why it's important to make sure your cat gets plenty of sleep. The best way to ensure your cat gets the rest they need is to provide a quiet, comfortable place for them to sleep. Try putting a blanket or towel in a quiet, draft-free area. Make sure the area is away from other pets and family members so your cat can get some peace and quiet. In addition, it's important to monitor your cat closely during their sleep. If you notice that they're having trouble breathing, you may need to take them to the vet for emergency care. Therefore, it's important to hydrate your cat as soon as possible. Fortunately, there are several easy ways to do this. One popular supplement is cod liver oil. Cod liver oil is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which have anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation in your cat's airways. Another supplement that can be helpful is probiotics. Probiotics are beneficial bacteria that can help boost your cat's immune system. A healthy immune system is essential for fighting off respiratory infections. You can find probiotics in foods like yogurt, kefir, and sauerkraut. First, you can offer your cat more fresh water. Try putting the water in a shallow dish. That way it'll be more accessible for your cat. You can also add water to your cat's food. Most dry foods require 10% of their body weight in water daily. And if you have a wet food, try mixing the 2 together. You can also try warming the water slightly. Cats are more drawn to warmer temperatures of water. You can also offer your cat broth or low-sodium chicken juice. If your cat isn't drinking enough fluids, they might need 4 fluids. That's something that only your vet can do. The steam from your breath will help open up your cat's airways and make breathing easier. The second method is to pour boiling hot water into a bowl. Place a towel over the bowl and allow your cat to sniff and inhale the steam. Again, be very careful to not burn your cat while doing so. If your cat does not approach the bowl on their own, you can try picking them up and bringing them closer to the bowl. Just make sure to always supervise your cat while they re-near the bowl of water and never leave them alone. Done correctly, this should help clear up your cat's congestion and make breathing easier. To make a saline solution for your cat, simply mix 1/4 teaspoon of salt with 1 cup of warm water. Make sure the salt is completely dissolved before using. Then pour some of the solution into a clean syringe or nasal rinse bottle and gently flush out your cat's nostrils. Be very gentle when performing this process so you don't hurt your cat. For instance, boiling water on the stovetop can add moisture to the air. You can also put a pan of water on a heating pad, which will turn into steam, or set up a humidifier in your cat's room. It's also beneficial to place bowls of water around your house, which will slowly evaporate and humidify the air. And don't worry, if you're worried about mold growth, just change the water every few hours and you should be just fine. In addition, consider taking your cat to a steamy bathroom. Just be careful not to burn your cat while doing so. The heat and steam can be very soothing to their irritated airways. Before we get started, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss any of our helpful videos. Also, please remember that this video is meant for educational purposes only and is not intended to substitute a diagnosis from your vet or treatment from your vet. Now let's explore 7 natural remedies for cat respiratory issues. No one. Increase humidity levels. When battling respiratory issues, one of the greatest things you can do for your cat is to increase the humidity levels in their environment. Number 2. Saline nasal rinse. If your cat has a stuffy nose, consider giving them a saline nasal rinse. No. 3. Soothing steam inhalation. Steam inhalation can be a great way to soothe your cat's irritated airways and relieve congestion. No. For hydrate your cat when dealing with respiratory issues, it's important to keep your cat hydrated. No. 5. Nutritional support when trying to fight off a respiratory infection. Your cat needs to have a strong immune system. Number 6. Rest, just like humans. Cats need plenty of rest to recover from illnesses. Number 7. Consider supplements. There are a variety of supplements that you can give your cat to help relieve their respiratory issues. We hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to leave a comment below.